Wow, Bitcoin has been trading perfectly. Today we caught some really interesting longs in the crypto signals group. We'll go over the chart because there's a lot to it. I think I mentioned longing a bunch of stuff in the first video because this is when I opened up my short longs 4 or 5 hours ago. We'll talk about the Bitcoin price right now. It's gonna be a no BS price analysis for the Bitcoin chart on the 15th of February 2022. It's going to be very interesting, very in depth. So all you got to do is tap the like button and enjoy. Also, MEXC is the sponsor of this video. Really cool exchange. They have their iOS app for United States residents. Definitely something you want to check out. Also, I have my crypto signals group. If you want to follow my trades before I actually release the videos, that's a few hours before. Sometimes the trade is over when I'm releasing the videos. Definitely check it out. And this video is not financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. Let's talk about Bitcoin. So the first thing, why did everyone go long? I'm watching Crypto Face, Market Cipher. He went long. The time that I went long was very. I had three confirmation. Woman 2 buy signal right here. You can see it. Increase in market buy orders right here. Breakout obviously above the 200 EMA, and stochastic and MACD showed a buying signal. And also I have one more signal that didn't show up here, and it's the SAR, because I'm using the Trading View app. Uh, and the Chrome version to record. So pretty much I entered here, closed. I forgot where, but I longed ADA, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. What else was it? Now, by the way, I'm short Bitcoin because of the divergence. So yeah, we got the trade in. I can see that a lot of traders are still long, which is making me doubt my short. But the reason why I shorted was basically this on the 5 minute time frame. This is a very short term trade, by the way. It might be over when you're watching it, but yeah, long term I'm bullish Bitcoin. Just a divergence right here, higher Bitcoin price, but lower RSI. This is a very probable trade, but who knows, right? You never know. I don't have a take profit. I have a stop loss above the high, obviously. But what I do believe can happen here is 1 to 2% dump that I'll try to take advantage of. Hopefully, it dumps to here or here, and I can take some profits. But yeah, it's a cool trade from what I can see so far. I'm a little down, pretty much entered here on this red candle because I had a few confirmations. But yeah, we'll see. It's gonna be an interesting day for sure. Everything on the chart signals that. If the Bitcoin price drops below 43K, it's gonna be easy to drop to here. Again, I am bullish on the day. I'm just shorting very quickly. I'll probably be out of this short as soon as I possibly can because I don't want to be in a short above the 200 EMA. Just a really good probable trade in my opinion. On the 4 hour chart, very interesting. We have an uptrend. Bitcoin broke below it, which was obviously bad, but it managed to pull right through. If we go here, zooming out, I know there might be too many indicators for you guys, but I want to show you a lot of things because all this information matters to me, and this is the way I like to trade. I know it's a little busy on the chart, but I like to have a huge amount of confirmations in any trade that I do. So right here, what's going on is we broke below the uptrend, which is really bad, really bad. But the good thing is we're back at it. We're back with the trend, pretty much above the 200 EMA. We just had a swing just like this. I think this is almost invalidated. I'll probably remove it soon if we just go above it again. But I also want to keep track of it because sometimes the price respects it, and market psychology also does. We do have a lot of buying signals right now. We have a lot of buying pressure, a good amount of market buy orders. We're still in the accumulation zone, as you can see here. Even though I like to accumulate on sales right here, this is still the accumulation zone. You could see Wells defending this area right here with lows on the order book. So this is something you probably want to consider. I don't believe we'll be going down. I do believe we can target the 45K area very soon, any moment now. Let's see how the, and also stocks are up today, which would be bullish for Bitcoin. But yeah, there's a lot of things going on the chart. I would take any opportunity to long along the way as well. Let me know your thoughts and your game plan for Bitcoin. See you next video. Bye.